5771. Looseness in a glider's flight control linkage or attachments could result in A. Increased stalling speed. B. Loss of control during an aerotow in turbulence. C. Flutter while flying at near maximum speed in turbulence. The correct answer is C. Flutter can be brought on by loose parts in the control cables, linkages, hinges, or the attachments to the wings. 5772. A left side slip is used to counteract a crosswind drift during the final approach for landing. An over-the-top spurn would most likely occur if the controls were used in which of the following ways? Holding the stick? A. Too far back and applying full right rudder. B. In the neutral position and applying full right rudder. C. Too far to the left and applying full left rudder. The correct answer is A. If the controls are used in this manner, it would result in an excessive slip to the right side, with the glider yawing to the right and the nose pointing to the left. This can create a condition known as a skidding turn, where the outside wing is more stalled than the inside wing. If the skidding turn is not corrected promptly, it can lead to an over-the-top spin, where the glider rolls over the top and enters a spin. It is important to maintain coordinated flight and use appropriate control inputs to counteract crosswind drift without introducing excessive yaw or roll angles that could lead to a spin. 5791. When flying on a heading of east from one thermal to the next, the airspeed is increased to the speed to fly with wings level. What will the conventional magnetic compass indicate while the airspeed is increasing? A. A turn toward the south. B. A turn toward the north. C. Straight flight on a heading of 0900. The correct answer is B. A turn toward the north. As the airspeed increases, the increased airflow over the vertical tail fin creates more yawing force, causing the nose of the aircraft to turn toward the left, north in the Northern Hemisphere, due to the gyroscopic effect. This is known as the turning tendencies of an aircraft. Pilots need to be aware of and compensate for these turning tendencies to maintain a desired heading. 5793. The spoilers should be in what position when operating in a strong wind? A. Extended during both a landing roll or ground operation. B. Retracted during both a landing roll or ground operation. C. Extended during a landing roll, but retracted during a ground operation. The correct answer is A. In strong winds, the airflow over the wings of an aircraft can become turbulent, creating a challenge in maintaining adequate control during landing and ground operations. By extending the spoilers, which are located on the upper surface of the wings, the airflow over the wings can be disrupted and the lift reduced. This helps to increase the aircraft's weight on the wheels and improve traction, providing better control during landing and ground operations. By keeping the spoilers extended, even during ground operations, the pilot ensures that any sudden gusts of wind or crosswind effects are mitigated. This helps to prevent the possibility of the aircraft becoming airborne unintentionally or experiencing a loss of control on the ground. 5795. The primary cause of towline slack during aerotow tows is A. Glider acceleration. B. Poor coordination. C. Positioning the glider too high. The correct answer is A. Only when the glider travels at a faster speed than the tow plane can there be stack in the towline. Towline slack is more frequent during and immediately following turns. The glider will need to fly at a quicker airspeed because it is traveling farther.